How often have you found yourself misspelling or mistyping the same word again and again, and you just like Microsoft Word to correct it for you? Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to help make life that little bit easier. So here I am in my Word document. I've got some spelling mistakes, and you'll see that the first one, I'm missing the letter A. It should be that. If I left click on it, you can see I get my spelling. If I right click on it, I get a different option. So I can actually say the correct one is that, and if I click on the arrow at the end of the correct word, you can see it actually gives me the option to add to AutoCorrect. However, if instead of left clicking I right click on it, I get the actual full options, which includes spelling at the top. You can see that my first option is the correct option, that, because in this case I can't really think of an option that would be th something t. I think that's the right one, or the only one. So you do need to be a little bit cautious about this. When you've got things that could be multiple other words, make sure that you don't actually set that up, because it will always then choose the wrong one. So here I think this is the correct one. It's probably the only one. If I click on the arrow at the end of the correct spelling, I've now got some options: read aloud, change all, but there is my command add to autocorrect. As I choose that, it's done it and it's corrected. So now if I type it again with the same error and I press space, my autocorrect kicks in and replaces that. I do have that option all over the place. If I right click on my second mistake, you'll see that in this case I don't have the correct spelling, so I wouldn't do that, and I would just manually fix it to be the correct spelling instead. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and if you'd like to be notified as more videos become available, please remember to subscribe and click the bell. However, before you go, remember to click on the more option down below to see additional links and information that I think you might find useful. I will see you on the next video.